hi from Mexico, Dennis. Daniel, nice to see you. I know you participate in a lot of the streams, and I think you were also in the class this past Sunday. So good to see you, my friend. Daniel says, how to best decide whether a data science focused solution is the most appropriate for a business problem? Oh, wow. I love the question. I love the question. Daniel, let me come back to that because I see a couple other people that are checking in. So Meta from Illinois, USA. Welcome. Yeah, Meta, I'm glad to see you here. This is definitely a convenient time for Illinois. I think in Illinois right now it's just after 8 o'clock. So yeah, we're trying a different time. And glad to see that you're here. Glad to see that I'm getting some of the U.S. audience, because for the U.S. it is a convenient time. Gabo Try says they're from Mexico City. Well, welcome. I'm getting an increasing set of followers from Mexico City, so I'm glad to see that you're here. I think this is also a great time for Mexico City. Okay, so coming back to Daniel,